Hi, I'm Lydia Sarfati, president and founder of Repêchage. Repêchage is a second chance, and since 1980, we have provided a second chance for beautiful complexions. The Repêchage LED radio frequency and EMS skin tightening machine. This device is non-invasive alternative to costly machines, painless, and requiring no recovery time. This wonderful LED device is beneficial for all skin types and is suitable for face, neck, and body. The Repêchage LED device provides a multitude of skin benefits, utilizing 5 different modalities. The LED light therapy stands for emitting diode, which is a tiny computer chip encased in a glass. The LED light works by sending energy-producing packets of light into the surface layers of the skin. This is really enhancing your procedure. The light therapy is between 390 and 1,100 nanometers and can be continuous wave or pulse. Studies have found that wavelengths in the range of 390 nanometers to 600 nanometers are used to treat superficial tissue, and longer wavelengths ranging in 600 nanometers to 1,100 nanometers treat deeper epidermal layers. Each LED wavelength or color of light provides very unique benefit to the skin. LED treatments can minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, help reduce the appearance of dark spots and visible appearance of sun damage and stretch marks, and reduce the appearance of redness and irritation from aggressive skin treatments. Combining LED device with the wonderful Repêchage product will give your client the results that they are looking for.